Hello and welcome back. My goal is to help teachers like you make cash real fast from the comfort of your home. Teaching may be one of the most rewarding careers out there, but it's also one of the most stressful in today's world. Luckily, teachers can use their skills and background to earn extra money online. Whether you're looking to earn a small income on the side or a full-time income from home, these ideas will get you started with making money as an educator outside of the classroom. There are more opportunities for teachers now than ever before. Here are some easy ways teachers can make money online. Number 1, become a consultant for those in your field. Now, before you start saying, I'm just not qualified for this, first ask yourself these questions. Do you have a special skill or knowledge about a specific topic? Is there something about your area of expertise that would benefit other teachers? Is there anyone that could benefit from your knowledge or strategy? If you've answered yes to any of these questions, then guess what? You can become a consultant. Number 2, start your own online tutoring service. If you have a teaching degree and experience in the classroom, you can become an online tutor. You'll need to find a platform to host your service on, as well as advertising. There are many websites that allow teachers to start their own tutoring business, such as Tutor Vista or Wyzant. Once you've established your website, you will be able to set your rates and begin taking on students. To find new students, social media is an excellent place to start posting ads about what type of lessons you can offer and how much, of course, they will cost. You can also go to websites like Fiverr or Upwork. People are constantly looking for tutors. Another strategy is contacting schools directly about their need for tutors for their students who may struggle academically or socially at school because of the language barriers or any other factors. This would make them eligible for services from someone like yourself, who in fact specializes in any particular area where they need help to improve their skill set. Ultimately, you'll lead them towards success. Number 3, create a blog. Creating a blog is an easy way for teachers to make money online. If you want to start a blog, you'll need to follow some basic steps. Select your niche and create a domain name. This can be done on sites like GoDaddy or Bluehost. By the way, if you use Bluehost, I have a link in the description below for you to get started today. Find out what tools are needed in order to build your site, such as WordPress themes and plugins. And plugins are basically apps that help you just add special features to your websites. You can also find these on Code Canyon or Envato marketplaces. Once you get your blog up and running, you can sell a digital product. You can run ads, you can sell sponsored blog posts, you can get public speaking gigs, the list goes on. You can also use social media like Pinterest and even YouTube to get your eyes on your blog. You'll be surprised on how quickly it grows. Number 4, try affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way for teachers to make money online. You can also use affiliate marketing in your blog. The idea is really simple. You create a website and promote products on your site through links. When visitors click on those links and purchase something, for example, you can get a commission from that sale. The best part of affiliate marketing is that it doesn't require any technical know-how or special skills. You can set up affiliate program accounts in minutes and start earning commissions immediately, even if you're brand new to the internet. As a matter of fact, you can also place affiliate links in your social media accounts, whether that's YouTube or Instagram, the list goes on. Besides being easy to get into, affiliate marketing offers several other benefits, such as no product sourcing needed. You typically don't need to find products for sale as an affiliate. Instead, companies will send them directly to you to promote. For example, Amazon Associates. The top benefit of affiliate marketing is passive income. The more you post with affiliate links, the more money you will make. The more you post in general, the more money you'll make. This means that people will be visiting your site or your social media in your sleep, and you will be completely hands off, of course, after the initial hustle and bustle and grind, while the money just continues to flow into your bank account. Here's another great way for teachers to make money. And that's number 5. Become a teacher's assistant online. Teacher assistants are in high demand, and they can take on an array of responsibilities. Some might help grade papers, others might tutor students or plan your lessons. You could teach one-on-one online classes, work with entire classrooms, or even become an educational consultant yourself to these teachers. The possibilities are endless, and teacher assistants tend to work remotely from home, which gives you freedom to set your own hours and earn as much money as possible without sacrificing time with your family. It's also a great way for you to have another job but want some extra income on the side. There are plenty of ways for teachers to supplement their income by using their passion for teaching. Teachers have a lot of knowledge they can share, and there is no shortage of people looking to learn from them. Teaching is a wonderful profession, but it's also one that can be financially challenging. That's why I've compiled a list of these few basic ways to make even more money online as a teacher. And whether you want to get paid for doing what you love or simply just find some extra cash on the side, there are plenty of options out there. So this video was made with teachers like you in mind. But of course, these tips can truthfully be applied to any profession. If you want to learn more about how to make money online, please be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more. Check out all of the resources in the description so you can find resources to help you start your business today. Until next time.